Meaning of hatchet-faced.
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 Hatchet-faced. The term hatchet-faced is often used to describe someone with a harsh, angular, or severe facial structure. The term is derived from the shape of a hatchet, which has a sharp and narrow blade. People with a hatchet-faced appearance typically have a prominent jawline, sharp cheekbones, and narrow eyes. This term can be considered somewhat derogatory as it focuses on negative physical attributes, so it's important to use it carefully and respectfully. In general, it's always better to focus on people's positive qualities rather than their physical appearance.